In front of me is Blackview Tab 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. All you need to do is open Settings and scroll all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service. Select Google Password Manager and tap on the password that you wish to delete. Now, after entering your screen lock, click on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!